Hey, what's going on, my friends? It's your boy Terrence T. Hill, and I'm coming to you from my home office with a very special gentleman who means a whole lot to me.
Yeah.
I like to say he was my first financial mentor. Okay, he's not a financial advisor, but he does understand American finances and how money works. His name is Mr. Torrance William, and he comes all the way from Augusta, Georgia. So thank you for allowing me to interview you.
All right, thanks.
And help people understand something that I did not understand.
Right.
What it is, right, is two jobs is for two people. Okay. So he's going to illustrate and demonstrate and show you on the whiteboard how this will affect you in a negative way. Because we already know, Torrance, we only have what? Time and money.
That's right.
And most people don't have enough of either. Or at least they feel that they don't, right?
Right.
Because
right.
they don't understand income is measured in dollars.
That's right.
And cash flow is measured by time.
Exactly.
But they thinking they don't have enough income, so they go get a part-time job, which take up all their
time. Exactly.
So now all we try to do, ladies and gentlemen, is help you understand, and we will provide a solution at the end on how to combat this and never have that problem anymore.
Absolutely.
So help the viewers, the listeners, understand exactly what's going on.
All right. Thanks again, Terrence. Hey, man, I'm just excited to be here. Hey, in this scenario, we have an individual that has a monthly income of about $5,000, okay? Through the various taxes, this person is going to lose 30% of his income. And you said it. Hey, that's a gross situation because his gross is $5,000, but he's only going to net $3,500. So that's why that individual feels the need to get a second job because he feels he don't have enough money. So he goes and gets a second job, a part-time job, making $1,000. However, he has to remember that net tax is going to follow him. So 30% off the top of the part-time job too is only going to net him $700. Well, the importance of this $700 is he's losing both his money and his time by going and get the second job. Because if you look back over here, this original job, his first job, the only tax that he can control is the federal income tax. Now, that is $750. This is more than what he's netting on the part-time job. So through the strategies that we will share with them, as you said, we're going to give them a solution. Okay. Through the strategies we'll share with him how to lower what he's paying in federal taxes. Now, that's important because 80% of all Americans do not understand this. And since they don't understand this, they see it as a problem. But if you can see where if we lowered that and took the majority of that money and put it back down in his pocket, he don't have to go to the second job.
So basically what you're saying, you can legally and morally
exactly
do what you just said.
Right.
And put that money back into his pocket.
Right.
Which will increase his cash flow, which will give him time.
Woo!
That he's losing.
And you know what that's called?
What is it called?
That's what we say, income shifting. Shift that money back into your pocket where it's the most useful. That's what we do, Terrence.
Wow. So, ladies and gentlemen, the solution is coming, okay? If you want the solution, ladies and gentlemen, here's what you must do. Comment on this video solution, all right? Wherever you're watching this from, and the person who shared this video, or me or Torrance,
right,
we will get back with you and show you